Say cheese! Yes, the thought of someone taking a photo or the thought of melt in mouth cheese both bring smile to our face. But when half of the cheese stays stuck to the grater while grating can be very upsetting. Don't worry, today's tip will hold that smile on your face. Let's know how! Give a thumbs up if you liked it. And do subscribe to my channel. We'll share with you 2 tips today. First tip is keep the cheese in the freezer for about half an hour to 1 hour. Take the cheese grater and start grating. Your cheese will come out clean. Now second tip, if you do not have time to freeze your cheese, do not start grating directly. See, the cheese will not leave the grater and half of it will stay behind stuck to it. Instead, take little cooking oil. Brush it nicely on the grater and start grating. With a little tap and slight brush, the cheese will leave the grater alone and you can use every bit of it in your dish. Isn't your smile back? Let's meet again with buzzing ideas.